Hi, welcome to 2024 Term 3, Class B, practicing video number 5. Now we're going to start with our finger exercise today. This term we've been concentrating on getting the walking fingers. So walking finger means we're going to rotate the fingers on the keyboard without lifting our hands up. If you have a look at the video that I made in the class, that we're going to try that exercise at home. So first, you can get a mat on the piano or anything that has like a hard surface. You can do it on the tables or on the floorboard of your pianos. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our arm same way, same directions as our keyboard, and build a nice round hand posture using two fingers to walk side to side on the piano keyboard. So you keep your arm very still, your wrist relax, and lift the finger high. Move your fingers forward. Okay, let's try one more time. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. And then you can rotate the fingers. 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, and then you can do 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 1 E N A, 1 E N A. Last, we're gonna try 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Make sure you lift your number 1 up as well, using the fingertips. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. So the key thing is to keep our wrist steady. Then you can rotate, use the other hand, and moving to the other directions. Okay? When you're finished, we're gonna sit in front of the piano like we normally do, and then moving the finger towards the end of the black keys. So we're walking on a vertical way. 3, 4. You can try different fingers, 2 fingers at a time. You see, when we're walking towards the black keys, our wrist is relatively still. Okay, we didn't really see much the shaking wrist. So that's what we try to avoid. And then you can walking on the spot. 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Rotate different fingers. 2, 5. Try to lift your finger as high as possible. 3, 4, 3, 4. Each 2 finger you can do 4 times. 3, 5. 1, 5. 1, 2. After right hand, and you can do the left hand the same. First, moving towards the black keys. Try to keep the finger curve and knock on the keys. Very firm and steady wrist. Then you can try to walk on the spot. Each 2 fingers you can do 4 times, and then swap to another 2 fingers. So this is the finger exercise that we tried to do before our pieces. Now the second one is our concert piece. So the concert piece, we will start from the beginning and play up to the second page where the star is, the first note. Okay, so I will demonstrate first and then we can talk about it. First, we're going to start with our right hand. C, 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 D, E, G, E, 2, 3, E, D, C, left hand, A, C, G, 2, 3, 4, right hand, C, last class, we learned up to the C before the repeat sign. In the class, we're talking about the rest of this page. It's very similar to the beginning, the first two lines. So we have a 1 bar, 2 bars, 3 bars, 4 bars, 5 bars, 5 bars, exactly the same. So from the beginning, we do 5 bars. It's the same as when we're starting from the start. Okay, 5 bars. The difference is starting from the last bar of this page. All right, we'll have a look at that together. So left hand start from a C, 1 E in A, 1 E, and then the next note is A in A, 1 E in A, 1 E and A, the second note, C, A, both using left hand. Now the next note is a G. We're going to use our left hands as well because it's writing on the bass clef. G, we're going to use our finger number 4, ring finger, to play. The next note's D for right hand finger number 2. Then page 2, we have a 1 whole note C, middle C, use right hand finger number 1. So I will demonstrate with counting from the page 1 last bar to the second page, first note C. Okay, here we go. So we're going to start from our left hand. 1 E in A, 2 E and A, 1 E in A, 2 E in A, 1 E in A, 2 E in A, 3 E in A, 4 E in A. So that's the only 2 bars different. Now this week homework is learning the star sections. You can see 2 start at the beginning of the last bar from line 3 and then finish on the first note on the second page. So what I do is I will play the star sections. 1 E in A, 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 2 E in A, 3 E in A, 1 E in A, 1 E in A, 2 E in A, 1 E in A, 1 E in A, 1 E in A, 2 E in A, 3 E in A, 4 E in A, 1 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 E in A, 2 E in A, 1 E in A, 1 E in A, 1 E in A, 2 E in A, 1 E in A, 2 E in A, 1 E in A, 2 E in A, 3 E in A, 4 E in A. Okay, that's our new homework for this week. For our concert piece, we're learning the star sections. Okay, the last thing is from the piano book, we have a new song. Let's open the book on page 49. Page 49. We have a piece called Lavender's Blue, very beautiful piece. Now in the class we listen to this piece and the student says it feels calm, relaxing and slow and beautiful. So that's the style of this piece. It goes very slow speed, it's very calm and warm tone and feeling relaxed. Okay, so when you play, make sure you don't smash in the keys, you don't press the key too hard, use your gentle fingers. All right, there's something special about this piece. We have a sharp sign. So a sharp sign is made of like a two cross. We have a two line and then two cross. Okay, and the sharp sign is writing in front of the note. It's very closer to the note. So if you can see, we have a G at the beginning, then second note F, and the sharp is closer to F. So the F, we're gonna play F sharp. But where is F sharp? Every note can go sharp, can play sharp. We just need to move one key to the right. So what that means is, if we find the middle C and play one key to the right, we end up on a black key. That key is called a C sharp. If we play D, move one key to the right, we end up on the black key. It's called a D sharp. Now sometimes the sharp can be white keys. For example, if we're starting from E, go one key to the right, then you end up on F. So F is also called E sharp. Now we start from F, move one key to the right, we end up on the left side black keys of that three black keys group, and that key we'll call the F sharp. So that's the key that we're going to play in this piece. All right. And the other new thing is in this song is we have a left hand, two notes together. So one from the top is B, and another note down the bottom is G. So B and the G we're gonna play together. So 2 and 4 goes down at the same time. Two notes both are half notes, so we're counting 2 beats for both. So they play together for 2 beats in total, not 2 plus 2, 4. So because they share one stem, that means they're gonna play at the same time. Now this week's homework is learning this piece, right hand and the left hand separately. Okay, if you are very confident, you can try to put hands together, but it's not required for this week. So we're just gonna sort out the right hand and left hand single-handed. Okay, so what I will do, I will demonstrate the right hand first and then left hand after. So we're gonna count the beats and say, actually we're gonna say the notes first. D, D, E, D, rest, rest. G, F sharp, E, D, and D, D, E, D, rest, rest, and a whole bar rest, and a whole bar rest. D, D, E, D, rest, rest. G, F sharp, E, D, 3 beats. G, F sharp, E, D, rest, rest. E, F sharp, D, G. Okay, that's all the notes. Our right hand is in the middle C position, but F sharp, remember to use your ring fingers, your finger number 4 to play. So to be able to reach the F sharp, I want everyone to push your right hand closer to the black keys or into the black keys. Okay, so make sure number 4 is on the F sharp already when you start the piece. So we don't want to see the hands is reaching up. Reaching up will pull our hand posture down. It's not very comfortable. It will slow you down. So before you start, pull your hands closer to the black keys. Okay, now we're gonna have a look at left hands. Left hands will start from a B, number 2, and G, number 4. G and B, 3 beats. Rest, 1 E N A, 1 E N A. We have a C B A G, 8th notes. 1 E N A, 1 E N A. Hold bar, wrist, hold bar, wrist. G and B for 3 beats, and then wrist. C B A G A B A, and then G and B, G B 2 3, and the wrist. C B A G, hold by wrist, hold by wrist, hold by wrist, and then wrist. C B A G, wrist, G and B. When we play G B, we lift the other fingers up, just 2 and 4 going down. Okay, so that's our new homework from this week. Lavender's Blue on page 49. Learn single-handed. Make sure you play the F sharp, and then B and G is an interval. We use 2 fingers play at the same time, counting 2 beats. Okay, that's all from this week. Happy practicing. See you next week. Bye for now.